What's up? Welcome back to Mena's Daily Dose. My name is Mena and thank you for joining me today. I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this quick makeup look by using minimal products. And it's super quick, super easy, just in case you are trying to get out the house really quick, which is what I'm about to do, honey. I'm about to go eat me some dinner. So I want to do something real quick just to look fresh and put together. So if you are interested in checking out this video, then stay tuned. What's up, you guys? My husband and I are about to go out to eat, and I just wanted to come on here to do a little get ready with me. I mean, it's going to be super quick, but it's not. So I'm starting off with some primer, and this is the Milk Makeup Hydro Primer. And so today I just want to focus on really just being put together, not anything too beat. And then I'm going to spray my Smashbox primer water. Then I'm going to go in and do brows, and I'm using my Cut Brow by Benefit, which is, it's my boo thing, okay? I always use this for my brows. Alright, so those are my brows, and then I'm just going to lightly brush through them. Okay, and so for my foundation, I'm not going to do anything too much, and I'm going to go with this Laura Geller. It's more like a BB cream, and I'm just going to put that on and to buff that into the skin just to kind of even out my skin tone. Like I mentioned, I'm not going for anything beat or anything like that. I'm using this True Match concealer here. I love it so much because it has like an orange undertone. So I'm just using it to cancel out that darkness. And then I'm just going to blend it out with the brush. So now I'm just going to set my face, and I'm going in with this Cover FX loose powder, and it's a translucent powder, and it's their perfect setting powder. And so I'm going to use this just to set my face, and I hope it doesn't get on my white shirt. Then I'm going to go in with that same powder but in the color light, and I'm just going to set underneath my eyes. Alright, and then as always, I'm going in with my favorite bronzer, and this is Milani Baked Bronzer in 04 Glow, and I'm just glowing up the skin. Just make it look nice and natural. brow bone here and on my forehead. The nose. I'm going to do some more contouring bronzing, and I'm going in with my Becca powder. It's just a face powder, and it's in tobacco, and it's a little bit more warm. So I'm just going to warm up the face. And now I'm just gonna put on some mascara. And the routine I've been using is this Wet n Wild mascara and my Milk Kush mascara. I just love the way they work together. So then I'm just going to pop on some lip gloss, and this is by NYX. And then I'm just gonna use this pink blush right here. Just for like a nice wash of color, not too much. So yes, this is the completed get ready with me look, and it is super quick. I mean, this video right now is timing out at about 12 minutes and 36 seconds. So that just lets you know how quick this can actually be. And if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the MDD family. And if you're already part of the family, you join me today. Thank you so much for your continuous support. And smooches, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.